Efficiency and accuracy are paramount in modern retail, and barcode scanning has become a vital tool for streamlining transactions. With the incorporation of barcode scanning capabilities into Shopify POS, retailers can process transactions quickly and accurately, enhancing the customer experience and optimizing operational efficiency. In this video, we will explore the significance and benefits of barcode scanning within the Shopify POS system, highlighting how it simplifies product identification, enhances inventory management, and facilitates seamless transactions, ultimately empowering retailers to thrive in today's competitive retail landscape. Simplifying product identification. Barcode scanning within Shopify POS offers retailers a streamlined method for product identification. By simply scanning the barcode on each product, retailers can instantly retrieve detailed product information from their Shopify inventory. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and minimizes the risk of human error, ensuring accurate product identification during transactions. With barcode scanning, retailers can quickly and accurately add products to the transaction, reducing discrepancies and pricing mistakes. Furthermore, barcode scanning enables retailers to efficiently manage complex product assortments. Products with variations in size, color, or configuration can be easily identified by scanning the unique barcode associated with each variant. This ensures accurate inventory management, pricing, and tracking, even for items with subtle differences. Enhanced inventory management. Barcode scanning in Shopify POS plays a crucial role in optimizing inventory management processes. By scanning barcodes during stock intake, retailers can seamlessly update inventory levels within their Shopify inventory system. Real-time inventory tracking empowers retailers with accurate and up-to-date information on stock levels. Barcode scanning allows retailers to perform stock checks, monitor product movements, and streamline restocking processes efficiently. This reduces the likelihood of stockouts or overstock situations, improving inventory turnover and minimizing revenue loss. Barcode scanning also facilitates efficient stock taking and reconciliation. Retailers can conduct inventory audits by scanning product barcodes, comparing physical counts with recorded quantities in Shopify's inventory system. Any discrepancies can be promptly identified and addressed, ensuring inventory accuracy and minimizing manual inventory management efforts. Quick and accurate transaction. By incorporating barcode scanning into Shopify POS, retailers can process transactions quickly and accurately, enhancing the overall customer experience. Scanning barcodes triggers the automatic retrieval of product details, including pricing, from Shopify's database, eliminating manual entry and reducing the risk of errors. With barcode scanning, cashiers can efficiently process transactions, reducing waiting times and improving operational efficiency. This enables retailers to handle higher transaction volumes during peak periods, ensuring smooth and seamless customer interactions. Barcode scanning also enables retailers to accept various payment methods seamlessly. Scanned barcodes trigger the correct item price, facilitating accurate total calculations for cash, credit card, or mobile payment transactions. Manual calculations and potential errors are eliminated, allowing for swift and error-free transaction processing. Integration and scalability. Barcode scanning capabilities can be seamlessly integrated into the Shopify POS system, making it a powerful tool for retailers of all sizes and industries. Retailers can leverage existing hardware, such as barcode scanners or mobile devices with built-in cameras, and configure their Shopify POS software to recognize and interpret barcode data. The scalability of barcode scanning in Shopify POS allows retailers to adapt as their business grows. Whether they operate a small boutique or a large-scale retail operation, barcode scanning can be effectively implemented to simplify product identification, streamline transactions, and enhance the overall customer experience.